Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Cahokia, local and long-distance movers near me. We offer all the basic moving services you need, along with packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When you hire 3 movers, you get a team of movers ready to make things easier for you. Whether you're moving 100 miles away or more than 1,000 miles to a new state, our team will make sure your things get there on time. A local move might seem easy at first, and you might not think you need an Illinois moving company. Then, as you get into packing, you realize it's a much larger job than you thought. Even the shortest local moves means you have to pack up and load all of your things. With the help of 3 movers, you don't have to do all the heavy lifting. Our team takes care of everything. A local move that might take you a few days to complete, we can get done in one afternoon. If you're ready to hire a top Cahokia moving company, it's time to call our team today. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cahokia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.